So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert USDT to Binance coin. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and after that log into your account and then choose wallet and then choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you will look for the search section and now click on it and after that type USDT. Now guys, choose this convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option. Now choose and search here BNB and now choose the first option. So guys, now you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert 2 USDT, then you will type 2 and then choose preview conversion. After that guys, it will show you how much your 2 USDT are worth in BNB. And if you have the sufficient funds, then you can convert the USDT to BNB by clicking on this button. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.